Good evening. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. So my name is Amit Vishwakarma, and currently I am pursuing full stack web development course from Coding Ninja. From last 2 year, I have learned lots of things from here. I have learned Python, Node.js, React, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. Using these technology and framework, I have built more than 10 projects. One of my cool project is social media website where user can interact with each other. Also, they can chat with each other. And second project, was totally built by me, is employee review system, where employee will review to each other work. Okay. And let's I now I'm right now I'm going to talk about one of my node project, which is hospital API. Basically, I have built for this COVID patient. This is for hospital, and here hospital can track all the COVID patients reports. So, for making this project, I have used MVC framework. MVC is stand for Model View Controller. So a model is directly connected to our database where all the create, update, delete, and post fun- post function we can perform here. And second one is controller. Controller is directly connected to our server, where as per the request of the user, controller will send a response to the user, and where server is send the request to the controller, and controller according to their request he send the response to the user. Third one is view is all only take care about the presentation of the data, how we are going to present the data to the user. Okay. For making this project, I have used nodejs, express, MongoDB, and Postman. Okay, so Node.js is platform JavaScript runtime environment, which we are using this Node.js for making a website. For a website, these website is run uh, every different browsers. So that's why we are using node.js. Second one is express. Express is a node.js module. Okay, basically it is provide a facility where we can build our web uh, provide a facility where we can build our web application app, and also we can build our apis. And third one is mongodb is basically database. It is a NoSQL database where we can store data in JSON format, and it store large amount of data in few seconds. And third one is Postman. We are using I have used here uh, for a test our API and check how my API is working. And basically we are using Postman to for development API. Okay. So let's talk about our talk about our project more. Okay. So here this is a main index.js file. All the required things, all the required module I have written here. Okay. And third one, we have used express JSON for making this project, and also I have used body parser. Body parser is middleware which is give the body to our response. Okay. This is a express router. Here I have uh, use our router. I have connect our router to the app, where app is using my routes file here, and here I am running my port. Okay. So first is config all the middleware functionality, all the middleware code I have written here. So first one is mongoose is basically we use to connect our our code with the MongoDB. And also it's provide a schema where we can uh, give the data. We can write a database, our schema for the database. Also provide a facility where we can build a schema for our database. And third one is passport JWT. Passport is basically we are using for authentication, for authenticate our some of the section. And passport JWT is basically we use to generate a JSON web token. Okay, so here I am using passport, and here I am uh, generating my bearer. Here I am extracting my bearer token. Here I am given us some secret key, and also here I am using passport of 2, and also I am using here a JW2 strategy, and here I am finding the doctor ID uh, to authenticate that some of section of the doctor, where doctor only after the authentication, when JSON web token is allotted for the particular doctor, so that token for use, the doctor can use that token to register a patient and get details of the patient and get the status of the patient, or get all the report of the patient. Second one is controller. So here I have all the controller part I have written here. So first of all, I have written here register a doctor. Here I am write a code to register a doctor. Or here I have written a code to create session, basically for login. Yeah, here I have written a code to login the doctor. Or here I am generating my JSON token from there. This is a patient controller. All the patient related code I have written here. So here basically I have register the patient, create the patient. Here I am creating the report of the patient. Here I am getting all the data, all the report status wise. Uh, Sorry, all the report of the patient wise. Or here I am getting all the reports of status wise. Okay, so that is model. Here I have written a schema for this is a doctor schema. So here I am basically given a name, email, and password. This is a doctor schema, and this is a patient schema. Okay, here I am given name, email, phone, doctor ID, and here I am generating the report. And this is a route. So here I have given a route for each and every controller action. So here I've given two route: post route, register, and create for doctor, create session for doctor. Here this is a main index file for v1. This is a patient route. So here basically I am register the patient. Here I am create the report of the patient. Here get all the reports patient wise. Here I am getting the report all the status wise. So this is a main index for API, and this is a main index for my routes. Okay, and this is my readme file. Here I have written all the things ki how uh, another one can use my API. So here I am given all the instruction, or here I have given all the routes, and here I am given all the folder structure. So let's check how my project is working. So I have already started my terminal. So this is a postman. Here I have I have given all the routes earlier, and here I have given a name, email, password to register a doctor. So when we click on send, so my doctor has been registered. Yeah, there is one message showing doctor registered successfully. Okay, and here basically we can log in our doctor. So when we click on post, so it will generate a token. Let's see, here my token has been generated. So using this token we can register our patient. We can get the report of the patient, and also get the uh, report all the status wise. Okay, so I'm using this token for register a patient. So here I have given a route to register a doctor. And in the headers I have already given the token, so I have to update the token here. So my bearer token has been updated. So now I have to register a patient. So let's write new name. So I'm given name like Vikas here. So Vikas, or let's update the Vikas wb@gmail.com. Here I given the phone number, and here I have given the doctor ID. So when we click on send, sorry, what happened? Yes, my patient has been registered successfully. We can see the message patient registered successfully and all the patient details. So let's copy the patient ID to create a report of the patient. So here I am giving this patient ID, or here I have given the status of the patient. Okay, when we click on send, so let's see, report has been status has been updated for this patient, or here all the patient details, and here reports created successfully, has been display message has been displayed here. Let's get the details patient wise. So I'm updating this patient ID, and here let's update the token. So window V, let's click the send. So let's see, we got a patient details status wise, and let's check next thing, a patient report status wise. Okay, so this is a status here. I'm This is a route, and when we click on, so symptoms current, the status here, and we got two patient which uh, uh, have status symptoms quarantine. So one is Amit, and second one is Vikas. So this is all about my project. Thank you so much.